freak. Gosh, dude, why? Oh, freak. Crap. Oh, fuck. Did I almost say the F word? Did I? Oh, freak. Okay, that fireworks needs to be freaking quiet. Let everyone sleep, dude. Let everyone sleep. Yeah! My gosh, just let everyone sleep. This thing better be over. If not, I'm gonna go over to punch you in the face. Just kidding. It's just the little ones. That's quiet. That's not loud. Ha ha, you stupid. Oh no. Oh hell. Sounds like everything just popped. What the fart? What the fart? What the fart? What the fart? What?
It's freezing.
Well, I have nothing to do from it. I want to hear it.
Oh my god, I'm going back to bed then.
Okay.
Alright.
Good night to Mom.
Love you.
Love you too, Mom. I think this is over. Yay. Oh no, still working. Just a little open. That is still loud from in here? Oh my gosh. My feet? My feet's gonna get frostbitten. No. I think Ryan's in bed. Man, people, just let everyone sleep. Wow, it's just still doing it. Stop doing fireworks! need to scream louder, but I can't, because I'm in the house. Holy free, that's loud. Man, I'm telling them to stop. Oh. Holy shoot. If this is over, I'm closing this. I'm going to close it soon, because my feet are hurting. Actually, I think I know. Yeet. It's over. Let me get out. Shut up! Whoops, I wasn't mean to do that. Christ's sake, people, just let people sleep. Are you stupid or not? Ugh.